Hi, and welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author, and welcome to my quilting room. Today we are going to be cutting fabric. We are going to start on a baby quilt that I will be making for a new baby that is coming into our family. No, it's not a new grandbaby, but somebody is going to be a new grandma. So I'm going to be making this adorable little baby quilt. I have made this quilt before in the past. It's pinwheels. And then it has prairie points all around it for the border. So I'm going to teach you how to make the Prairie Point pinwheel baby quilt. So we're going to do this in sections. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I cut the quilt and get it ready for sewing. I'm going to be using my QUILTS, so if you're not familiar with QUILTS, today you'll get to see one in action. I will be using my Studio 2, and I will link down below in the description box in case you're interested in getting one of these. The Studio 2 is the industrial strength cutter, so you can cut lots and lots of fabric in a very, very quick time. So we're going to just jump right in. I'm getting a new deck in the backyard, so if you hear noise, that's what's happening. So while I'm cutting, I'm just going to go ahead and just cut the sound, and I'll play some music so that you can enjoy that while I cut and you can watch. And then I will have the cutting instructions on my website. So that is at craftyauthor.com. I will post a link down below in the description box to my blog on my website where you can find the cuts, the sizes that I'm going to use for this particular quilt. And let's just jump in and get started. All right, so the fabrics that we're going to work with are right here. This is a Woodland Animals print. And this print is done by Effie's Woods and Deb Strain, it looks like. Let me see if I can pull this up. For Moda Fabrics. So, this is what we have. In case you're looking for this particular fabric. Okay. So there's that piece. We have this in this beautiful pink peachy color. Again, I believe by the same. Yes. Same designer. So these all coordinate together. Okay. So I have 1.5 yards of the 2 yards of this, I believe 1.5 yards of my main fabric here. These are my 2 main fabrics. This one I believe is 1.5 yards of the peach, 1.5 yards for that. This is what the pinwheels are going to be made out, or I'm sorry, the prairie points. And I went ahead and did, I think, 1 yard of this. And then this is going to be a border. And so I did 2 yards of this. Okay, so this is the QUILTS Studio 2. And this is the tray that your die sits in. There's an even larger tray that I have for this, but this one I think is going to work just fine. We are going to use this die right here, and this is my 10-inch square, so there's 2 of them on here. So, and then when it finishes, it'll finish at 9.5 inches. So I'm going to lay that right here in my tray. And because my fabric is directional, I want to make sure that I'm going to cut it with the direction that the characters are facing, okay? So I'm just going to fold this. And I'm going to fold it again. And then I'm going to put it on here, and I'm going to see if that's going to be big enough for me to cut so it is. It's going to be right here. And I will have some extra left over on this one. And then I'm going to take my plastic cover. You need this in order to cut. And then I'm just going to roll this through. I'm going to cut my pieces. And I'm going to give that a little rub. And now I have my squares cut from my quilt. Now this cut, let's see. It went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 layers of fabric. So 16 squares is what I've cut here. Now this quilt only takes 12 squares. But this is fine because then I can actually make another quilt with that. So we're just going to put this aside. I'm going to grab the other fabric and we're going to do the same with that. All right, so the next die that I'm going to use is my 2.5-inch strip cutter. Now I'm going to use this one to cut our 2.5-inch strips for the inner border that's going to go around our quilt. All right, now we're going to cut our squares for our prairie points. Okay, last part, we're gonna cut our border. And I am using my 6.5 inch die here. This die will cut two 6.5 inch strips. All right, so that was quick and easy, right? And it goes even faster. If I wasn't recording, that would have been so much quicker. But anyway, so cut an entire quilt in less than basically 10 minutes. So I wanted to make note that the amount of fabric that I purchased will make 2 quilts. So if you don't want to have leftovers, then you might want to cut the fabric in half. Just buy less instead of buying like 1.5 yards by 1 yard, or where I bought 1 yard, buy 1/2 yard. So it really is up to you. And I always buy more fabric because I can just make more projects with it. So I always buy extra, but if you're not wanting to purchase extra, then don't do that. Then buy exact amounts. So anyway, like I said, I will link below to the AccuQuilt in the description box. I'm an AccuQuilt affiliate, so if you do make a purchase through my link, I will make a small commission. It is absolutely free for you to use. They don't charge you anything for that. Also, I will have all of the how much yardage you need on my website at craftyauthor.com. It'll be linked down in the description box as well. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to share, that's great, because sharing is caring. Don't forget to click that little bell. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video. And keep on crafting. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.